Welcome to ENNUI, an elegant neural network user interface. ENNUI allows you to build neural network architectures, to train them on the browser, to visualize them as they're training, and to export them to Python. Let's start off by looking at some templates. Right now we have the default template, but we'll start with the blank template. Here you can see the input and the output. This is where your data comes in, and you want to build a path from the input to the output. Let's add some layers. Here we're just going to place them conveniently, and we can connect them by clicking this black dot, then clicking the next layer. So we're going to do this for the whole net. And now that everything's connected up, we're going to add some activations. So let's just look at all of them. You can see we have tanh, we have sigmoid, and we have relu. You can just drag them, and they snap right into place. To delete a layer or activation, just click on it, click delete. Now we're ready to train. You can see here we have the model status, which has our accuracy and loss and validation accuracy and loss. It also has the ability to export to Python and to copy the model. You can also change the parameters of each individual layer. Now next we're going to look at our progress tab. Here you can see graphs of loss versus batch number, accuracy versus batch number, and we also have a confusion matrix here. Right now it's having trouble confusing 4s and 9s. You see here we have different optimizers that you can choose, different losses you can choose, and different hyperparameters you can tune. Here are a couple of examples. So here we can see an actual entry in our data set. So this is supposed to be a 5, but our network predicts that it's a 6. You can see it's marked that it's wrong, but this 9 is correct. Let's look at some other examples. So now let's look at some 1s. Here you can see we're getting most of the 1s right. But if we look at 4s, we're having a little more trouble here, though it's not too bad. Well, we hope you enjoy ENNUI. Thank you.